Hi guys, how you doing? It's Tay and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be reviewing a wig from WeQueen here. They were kind enough to send me over this wig to review for you guys. So in the package you're gonna get your silk bag, your wig cap, and that little care card. So this is the wig that we're working with. She is a gorgeous summer wig. She has 4 combs, she has adjustable straps, and she has a 4x4 closure, and that is what she's looking like on my head. I did wash her and I did bleach the knots. Well, I co-washed her. I did not use any shampoo on her, and I did add my foundation to the lace. So if you're not new to my channel, you know that I always do this. So I'm going in with my Cara wax stick, and I'm just gonna flatten the closure a bit. As I said, I washed it and I didn't do anything else to her. I kind of wanted it just to stay like that until I did the install. Usually I will prep my wigs before installation, like I'm a mannequin head and stuff, but I decided not to do that this time just because I wanted you guys to see what she looks like freshly washed and dried. Okay, I did not blow dry her. I allowed her to air dry. So again, she's a 4x4 closure wig. I am using something new to melt my lace. This time I'm trying out the Ebin Wonder Lace spray, and it worked perfectly. I love it. I don't think I don't know if I want to say this out loud, but I don't think I'll be going back to Got to Be Glued right at this moment. Okay, this melted my lace so good. So I am just using my rattle comb just to, you know, press the lace down, and I'm going in with my blow dryer just to melt it, make sure it is dry and secured. I only did 1 layer because I don't intend to wear this wig for a very long time. So if I was gonna wear it for a very long time, I would do more than 1 layer underneath the lace. Of course, it is hot where I am at this point, so I don't know how it will hold up, but let's hope she will hold up. So I'm just adding some more of the lace spray to the closure just to make sure it is secured for the time being. I'm going in back with my blow dryer as well. So I am going to be adding an elastic band. When you have your wig, guys, and you're laying your wigs, an elastic band is a great thing to have. It helps your lace to melt. Okay, so I'm going in just to define my part. Because I washed, as I said, I didn't do anything to it. The part was kind of, you know, missing and stuff, so I am just going in and just going to do that. So y'all can just watch me do that. I do this in all my wig installation, y'all, so I don't want to bore y'all. And I'll just be back as soon as I am finished. Alrighty. Alright y'all, so I am just going to be defining a few of the curls just so that you guys can see what they look like. See, I'm using my spray bottle and I'm going in with my foam wrap mousse just to see if I can define them. It wasn't defined in the end, so I'm going with my cream of nature leave-in conditioner and I am just going to use that to define the curls. And I put it on and then twist the ends on my fingers and you guys can see that it's defined already. Look at that. Look at that clump. The mousse wasn't doing it, y'all, but that leave-in conditioner did it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just saturate that section with the water. I'm not gonna do too much, but just enough so that you guys can see how defined it can get. And then I'm gonna go over with my foaming mousse, and then I am going to add the leave-in conditioner, and that should do it. Alright, so this is what she's looking like. So one side, that side is defined and you guys can see the curls, and the other side is dry. Guys, I don't know which side I prefer, but well, in all honesty, I prefer the side that is dry. I know it sounds weird, but I prefer the side that is dry. And the side that is dry, it's a little frizzy. As I said, I did not add any products to it. I did receive some shedding during the styling process, but hey, this is a curly unit and curly hair do shed, so just bear that in mind. The shedding was not crazy, it was normal, I would say, based on my experience, and there were some loose hairs and ends, so yeah, I went in and I trimmed those off camera. So I'm adding my concealer to my part just to define it a little. When it comes to this kind of hair, the color, right, it doesn't, a lot of things don't pop around it. So like baby hairs and stuff, they won't really pop, and you have to define your part with some concealer. Okay, so this is what it is looking like. So my daughter was there putting concealer on my shirt all this time and I didn't even notice. She want to do my hair too, y'all. She want to get into mommy's hair. So I'm just using some of this spray and I'm just going to create a little lift at the front. I kind of like that little lift, you know, at the front of my hair. I really like that, so I am just doing that. You don't have to do this. If you want to leave it as is, you can. My princess decided to give me kisses because she was giving trouble. So whenever she does something wrong, she gives me kisses. Isn't that cute how she knows how to apologize? She melts my heart, y'all. So this is what the wig is looking like, guys. I did go ahead and I defined everything and it is gorgeous. So again, the wig, it's the WeQueen Water Wave 4x4 lace wig, and I have her in 1B30 and the length is 16 inches. She's gorgeous, she's summer ready. We're ready to go outside. She's easy to install. You don't have to worry about lace from hair to hair, and it looks super natural. So you guys can go ahead and cop her. I will leave the link to the wig in the description box. This wig is awesome, guys. I love the curls. I love how bouncy it is. The 4-inch parting space is not bad as either. It is just a good wig. It bounces, it flows, it curls, it pops. The color is amazing and I am in love with it. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think about this week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Don't forget to be the most authentic.
The obvious reasons true love is no longer in season. Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door eventually.